ongoing thing.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to how to speed up your device. This mostly goes for Samsung devices. So what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, scroll all the way down, go to About Phone. You want to go to, I believe, software information. You want to tap the build number a bunch of times, enter your PIN, and now you're in developer mode. You may be wondering yourself, why do you want developer mode? Well, so you can speed up your device a bit more. So you want to go to developer options. You want to scroll down, keep scrolling until you see what is it called? The window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. And what you want to do, these are all preset to 1x, but you want to just go to animation scale 0.5x on all of them. Oh, wait a second. No, I'm kidding. And yeah, you want to do all that to all that. And in fact, you have speed up your device. Quite frankly, it actually seems pretty smooth. So I'm just tapping right here. It's fast. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Comment down below what's your favorite part. And that's all in the next tips and tricks video. Bye!